Well, what we doing today, Cody?
Going to get some meats.
Yep. Me and Cody been making some parts runs. Cody, after work today, went up to Columbia to go get us some Mallory MSD 6AL. The truck used to have a box on the ignition box, but it doesn't currently. But we're gonna put this on it also, so that way we can control the rev limiter, so that way I don't accidentally over rev the motor. But now we're headed to go get some drag slicks and rims for the truck, so that way we can hook up better, and so that way we have them in the future for new sets of tires and whatnot also. And so that way we have a street set and a drag set. And well, we're gonna go try to get them though. But I've met this guy 2 times already and got stood up, so hopefully the 3rd time is the charm. So we'll see. But we'll pick y'all up here in just a little bit, and hopefully we got some tires and rims. Good morning, welcome back to 843 Garage. This morning we got a plethora of parts that we're gonna be putting on the truck. And also the garage is full of random stuff, as you can see, but we're gonna be getting some of that out the way. But today we're gonna be putting on some MSD Digital 6AL. We ended up picking some drag slicks up. The tires, you know, they got a little bit of life left in them, so we'll be able to use them for a little bit, and then we'll have to get some new tires though. They're not brand new or anything, they're used. But we got an adapter coming so that way we can run them. And then right here in the big box, we got what we've been waiting for. I'll set ready to blade now. In which we got to get a couple more things to get this to where we can run it on there, like a fuel pump that can support it. But we're actually probably going to go to the drag strip one more time before we get this on there, because we want to
still see what the carburetor does.
The carburetor, because I was just kind of getting my process dialed in, but get the tires on there, better spark. We actually might even run some like 110 when we go back, give the carburetor its best number, and then we're going to be switching this. And we're kind of doing that while we're waiting to get the fuel pump and a couple other odds and ends. Well, this is what we got.
Good grief.
That's not a one-hand unboxing right here. Maybe we should have unboxed it like this. Okay. Look, more tape. Oh, where's
more boxes and boxes.
More boxes and boxes.
You know my favorite parts are stickers.
Look, there's more wiring than the whole truck's got on it right here. Oh man, we'll set this to the side real quick. Boy. Something tells me it's gonna be in that bigger box.
What is this?
There we go. Let's get that plastic off there.
Ooh, she's pretty. Look at that haul, sir.
Man, that thing's gonna look good on there. It looks like it's gonna be moving some more fuel too.
And I believe it comes with the seal for the breather, and the new gasket, which I mean, ain't nothing wrong with ours, but
man, that thing's gonna look good on there, ain't it?
Yeah, it is. Oh yeah.
Well, we're also gonna be putting on a used harmonic balancer, the one that was originally on it, so that way we can tell the timing on it. And so we're gonna do that today, and we'll pick y'all up here in just a little bit.
Well, guys, we got some rough wiring going on just to make sure everything works. But we've got everything hooked up. Here in a minute, we'll run some heirloom, but we've got power to the box. We have checked that, but we're gonna crank it up for you guys and make sure everything fires up the way it does. Right now, we got the rev limiter set at 2,500. Just check it, see if it works, make sure it works, also see how it sounds. I took the muffler off that this guy put back on. But we're gonna fire it up. You're gonna put it on the tip.
Yep. It's only at 2,500, but that'll give you a kind of a gist of what it's gonna sound like when we got a little 2-step set up for it to leave on. So.
And let us know that the box is working.
Yep. So. gonna sound like when it's leaving on the two-step.
Now we can put it up at 35 where it would be. You want to, or you want to hold off?
Let's get all the wire, let's get all this cleaned up, and then we'll get it dialed in, set where we want it, and all that, and pick you back up in a little bit. All right, everybody. We finally got this thing put in here today, and we also, while we was at it, we cleaned up a lot of the wiring. We got everything put in wire loom, and all the wires just cleaned up, you know, because it was a little bit of a mess in here somewhat. But anyways, we got it all cleaned up. The box temporary mounted and whatnot. We're gonna get it solid mounted here in just a second. But I think we're gonna give you a fire up video and maybe put it on the chip. Cause right now we got the rev limiter set at what,
3,000, yeah. Just to test it.
Yeah, we was just wanting to make sure that it did work, and it does. So, and basically once we get the two-step wired in for leaving the line, that's what we're gonna be doing anyway. So you'll get to kind of hear what that sounds like. So fire it up.
Well, the chip is chipping.
What's that?
I said, well, the chip is chipping.
Oh yeah, I was gonna let it warm up a little bit, but I know you was waiting on me to do it, so I gave it.
Yeah, so now
So that what we did there, plus these and some better shifting, we're gonna get that 13 for you, and hopefully next weekend if Darlington's open, we plan to go back out there, and then we'll acquire the pump that we need for the sniper, and then we'll get that put on there. It'll probably take us a week or two, just because we're gonna slowly make sure we take our time with it and do a good job, and then we'll get it right back out there to the track and get a different number. Well, everybody, we got it put on there. Me and Curry taking for a little test drive. It's feeling real good, real crisp. We're gonna give y'all a little pull real quick, but we're not gonna get too rowdy. It is starting to rain out here. But y'all remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I think we'll be picking y'all up when we're headed to the track next time. We're gonna give a light little hit here. Ready? We felt way better.
Oh, yeah. Clean.
Yeah, which we got new tires, so we started hopping there at the beginning, but we got the tires to help that, but we're not gonna come out here and drive them on the asphalt, especially not when it's raining.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go put this up, and we'll pick y'all up. Actually, we're gonna be putting a harmonic balancer on. It might be in this video, so we'll pick y'all back.